Aloha music lovers, and welcome to Pro Festival Finder. Get ready for island vibes and the magic of songwriting, because today we're highlighting the Hawaii Songwriting Festival. The festival typically takes place in late spring or early summer on the Big Island of Hawaii. Get ready for an in-depth look at this unique event and the beauty of the Aloha State. The Hawaii Songwriting Festival, formerly known as the Kauai Music Festival, began in 2002. Founded by Joni and Charles Brotman, the festival's mission is to embody the Aloha spirit through music, fostering education and collaboration among musicians worldwide. After 12 years on Kauai, the festival moved to the Big Island in 2015, continuing its tradition of intimate workshops, networking events, open mics, and showcases. It's a nonprofit run largely by volunteers who are passionate about empowering songwriters. Expect a truly immersive experience. The festival offers workshops led by professional songwriters and music industry executives, covering the craft and business of songwriting. You'll connect with fellow songwriters from across the globe, fostering a supportive and inspiring environment. Past mentors and performers have included Grammy winners and hit songwriters like Kenny Loggins, Pamela Shane, writer of Kristina Aguilera's Genie in a Bottle, and Andre Merritt, writer for Chris Brown. The intimate setting allows for genuine connection and learning. The festival typically takes place at the beautiful Westin Hapuna Beach Resort on the Kohala coast of the Big Island, offering stunning ocean views and a relaxed atmosphere. While on the Big Island, explore the diverse landscapes. Visit Volcanoes National Park to witness volcanic activity, relax on the black sand beaches, or explore the lush rainforests along the Hamakua coast. You can also go snorkeling or diving in the clear waters, or hike to breathtaking waterfalls. Planning your trip involves flying into Kihol-Kona International Airport, Kauai, about a 30-minute drive from the typical festival location. Renting a car is highly recommended for exploring the island. The Hawaii Songwriting Festival offers a unique opportunity to learn from the best, network with fellow creatives, and soak in the beauty of Hawaii. It's an inspiring event for songwriters of all levels. If you love this festival, please give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell to make sure you never miss out on incredible festival experiences. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Pro Festival Finder so we can help you ditch the FOMO and find your festival mojo. Also, leave a comment below on insider tips for the Hawaii Songwriting Festival. And as always, thanks for listening to Pro Festival Finder.